Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you plant adaptation to light. Adaptation is the modification of morphological, social, physiological, anatomical, structural pattern and the plants and organism to survive in the according to change of the environment. Here the certain adaptive features are given about the plant. Those are survive in the light, so that the plant adaptation to light for the as the plants are continuously remain exposure to the light, so there is a certain adaptive features are found them. The light adaptation for the plant or the adaptive features of a plant to light is called heliophytes. So the plants those possess the adaptive features to light is called heliophytes. So plants growing in the bright light are called the heliophytes. Here the water present, what are the major things? The point is given here. These all points, the shorter and thicker internodes. Internodes means the length between the two nodes. Two nodes length is a shorter, and it means there is a growth of more and more leaves. Leaves are smaller and thicker as the light fall on the leaves, so they cover, that's why it's a smaller in size in a large number and thicker. Cuticle is present and often sunken stomata is present. Sunken stomata is a means the rudiment form, not properly developed stomata is present, because stomata, as you know, the help in the gaseous exchange as well as in the transpiration. So if the stomata is present properly developed, then due to light, what happen? Water remove more and more and plant will die due to the loss of excess water. So that's why here sunken stomata is present. Leaves are pale green in color with the shining surface or having growth. Greenish in color but slightly yellowish in color. As we know that sunlight is important for the formation of chlorophyll. But due to the higher exposure in the sunlight, what happened? The chlorophyll at a certain limit is formed, but the continuous exposure it start to disrupt the chlorophyll again. And that's why it's a pale yellow color, green in color, not fully green in color. And internally the palisade parenchyma well developed, leaf orientation is erect, that's why it's not get the more and more light. If they are the transverse or the dorsiventral, then they are get the more and more light, that's why they are remain the erect. Cells are smaller with the less intercellular space, and mechanical and conducting tissues are more developed. Why mechanical tissues are developed? Because due to continuous exposure on the light, what happened? There, although the presence of sunken stomata, there is a slightly transpiration takes place, and so there will be no any scarcity of water. The water will be sufficient, should be present in the plant body. The mechanical and conducting tissues develop. Mechanical and conducting tissue means the xylem and phloem. Clear? So it is all about the adaptation to the light in a heliophytes. Next video I will discuss the xerophytes.